Let's see how many papers it takes to hold each item. One. One again. One. No.
Two.
There we go. One. No.
Two.
Still no.
Four.
There we go.
One.
Oh.
Two.
No.
Four.
Still no.
Eight.
No way.
16.
30.
30.
There we go.
One.
Oh. Bro, that
Two.
looks heavy.
Four.
No.
Eight.
Still no.
16.
No.
30.
Nope.
60.
No.
120.
120. Close.
256.
256. No.
512.
500 papers.
1,280.
1,200 papers.
2,560.
2,500 papers.
5,120.
5,000 papers. No.
10,240.
10,000 papers. There we go.